Hey, Team O'Reilly, it's Bobby J from Bars Leagues. Guys, today I just want to talk to you a little bit about our oil seal, engine oil burning and leak repair product. This is part number OS1. And this is what we would consider the professional version of our stop leak, okay? We get calls all the time from customers that want to know what product to use for what situation. So, if a customer comes in and they tell you that they're seeing blue exhaust smoke out of the back, maybe they're having to add oil couple times a week, right? They're losing, say, maybe a half quart or more. They're burning it off, or they're just simply losing it and not seeing it. This is the product you're going to want to recommend. Again, the oil seal, engine oil burning and leak repair. Professional grade, highest strength that we make for engine oil stop leaks. So if they're just dealing with a little bit of a drip or something like that, we could take them to another product. But if they're dealing with that leak, the burning or the consumption issue, you're gonna wanna hit them with the OS1. Completely safe, blends with synthetic, conventional, no matter what type of oil they're running. Our recommendation on this is to put it in and leave it in until they change that oil again, okay? So if you guys have any questions on this product, our number's on the box. You could certainly give us a call, and instruct your customers too that if they have any questions, they could certainly give us a call too. Guys, be well. Sorry we couldn't be there with you this year. Hopefully we'll see you next year.